So the overall market did fine yesterday. I mean, we're building a little overall strength. ADA did pull back a little bit down to about 57 cents or so at the time of filming this video. And many people are wondering, is this where our drop stops? Is this where we are finally going to get our bounce? And there's two things that I'm seeing on the charts right now that may indicate it might not be a bad time to pick up a little bit of ADA. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee, but I want to show you guys what I'm seeing. But first and foremost, when we look at BTC again, we're still just continuing to follow this trend. We had a nice test yesterday. We basically tested the very middle of our bullish pennant here. We tested 68.5. We got rejected. We're coming back down here, and we might end up kind of sitting right in the middle here before taking a little stab above here today. We have to see what kind of strength there is in terms of retail. Now, again, when we look at the ADA charts, we're seeing a little bit of floating right around the bottom of this liquidity. All right, basically between 56 to 58 cents. And that's okay. We're kind of just dinking around here right now. And because I don't look at the daily chart as much anymore, I use a lot more the 4 hour. I missed this big flashing indicator here, this DCA plus. I have to say, when it comes to ADA, guys, this does not flash on here very often. You guys can see this whole run up. This did not flash at all. And what this shows is a possible overextension, a time where it may not be bad to add some ADA to your bags. Now, again, this is not financial advice. This is my indicator that I use, guys. The link's in the description below if you guys want to check it out. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's basically like using it for a little over $1 a day. So I've been using this a bunch to add to my bag. I'll probably add some to my bag today. I've added some other stuff as well. But something else I'm noticing here on the charts is that we are doing something very similar to what we did right at the bottom here, right when we did our extension to about 68 cents. We came back down, we tested this right here, and what I'm seeing is about the very same level on the RSI that we had back at that point. You can see that playing out right here. And what followed this was this explosive pop to the upside of about 70% or so. So right now we have this very similar formation to what we had back here in January. Does that mean we're going to do one of these? Maybe. It's possible. And in fact, if we do end up doing one of those moves, you guys can see what this would end up looking like on the charts here. This would be a very strong movement for ADA, actually pushing us up to about $1. Now, again, I don't want to get people's hopes up or anything like that, but know that we are very quickly approaching oversold range in terms of the daily charts. When we still look at the 4 hour charts, you guys can see we are in the oversold range. We've tapped this several times, and you can see that, basically every time we tap this right here, you guys can see a pop here. You guys can see a pop, even all the way back here, oversold pop, right? Oversold pop. So that's what we're gearing up for right now. We are in fact gearing up for a possible pop. Know that this potential does lie here. This again is why I'm saying it might not be a bad time to pick up some ADA. Again, people can do what they want. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. That's not what we do here on the channel. But these are the opportunities that I look for in the charts. When there is weakness, when people are selling an asset that's good too heavily, that presents opportunity. And that's what today is looking like. It's looking like some opportunity to add more to our bag. So I appreciate you guys as always. I would love to hear what you guys are doing here. If you're adding some ADA, if you're just kind of standing pat, waiting to see what happens here. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.